Namaskaram and welcome to all the beautiful ladies. स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के लाइव में, which is about beautiful Gadwal Pattu sarees. These sarees are made of lovely silk fabric and they have beautiful zari work over them. These sarees are very lightweight, easy to carry and perfect for summer seasons too. Let me now show you the one that I'm wearing right now. This one is a beautiful blue with red color Gadwal Pattu saree. On the body we have self checks with beautiful gold zari floral buttees over it. The silk checks are in pink color, which is contrasting beautifully with the body. Beautiful red color silk checks. The contrasting border is also in red color with floral buttees, diamonds and cross lines with paisleys jal in gold zari. Let me now show you the pallu, which has paisleys buttees with florals and cross checks. Beautiful brocade work is there, and there's a lovely contrasting blouse in red color. To place the order for the saree, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CR712. Weaver's price is 17,520 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before I move on to the next saree, let me just tell you that we provide global courier service and the cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's the next gorgeous one. This one is in yellow and bright pink color. Let me show you the details right away. And a very soft fabric indeed. The body has self-embossed floral buttees and gold zari floral buttees. So we have contrasting work on the body also, which is in yellow color. And the beautiful contrasting border has diamonds, paisleys with florals and leaves jal, and again diamonds in cross checks. This time all the work again is in gold zari. And let me now show you the pallu. It has diamond brocade work all over it in gold zari, which is bringing out the beauty of this lovely pink color. Now let me show you the contrasting blouse. It's also in pink color and it looks very beautiful with yellow color. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code CQ474. Weaver's price is 12,240 rupees. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now let's move on to the next beautiful saree from the Gadwal Pattu collection. Let's have a look at it. Let me now show you the next beautiful saree. This one also has self checks in red color. Wow. It's a beautiful beige color saree. We have self checks in red color with small floral buttees in gold saree. The color combination is exquisite. It's extremely beautiful. Our border has temples in self-embossed work. There are paisleys, jal, cross lines, diamonds and floral buttees with triangles, and all this work is in gold zari, which makes the red color look so royal and lovely. And our pallu here has paisleys with florals and leaves jal and florals in cross-check brocade work in gold zari. Now let's have a look at the contrasting blouse, which is in red color, and to place the order for this lovely saree, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CP545. Weaver's price is 17,520 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next beautiful saree now. Wow, look at this beautiful color combination. It's a bright color with a neutral color. Let me show you the details. Body is in red color and we have leaf buttees and paisleys buttees in gold zari. Very simple and classy work on the body, which is in silk fabric. The lovely contrasting border is a neutral grey color with self temples. Then we have temples in gold zari, cross lines, zigzag lines and dollars in gold zari again. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has paisleys, florals and leaves jal and florals in cross lines gold zari work. And here is our lovely contrasting blouse in grey color too. To place the order for this very beautiful saree, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CP559. Weaver's price is 15,520. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next saree now ladies, let me show you the details of this one. A very gorgeous off-white color with pink color. Beautiful Gadwal Pattu sarees here for you. The body has floral buttees in green and pink color, which is contrasting beautifully with the off-white color body. Adding a lovely pop of color also. And the border has temples, floral buttis and florals in lines in silver zari. We have small cross lines as well. Here's our pallu. It has diamond brocade work over it in silver zari, and silver zari is shining so brightly, making the pink color look even more gorgeous. And here's the beautiful contrasting blouse. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code CY714. Viewers price is 18,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before I show you the next beautiful sari, let me just remind you that the weavers prices are only valid for 24 hours. So you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here's the next one. Wow, look at this. It's a beautiful violet with blue color sari. Let me show you the details of this lovely Gadwal Pattu sari. The body has floral buttis in silver zari. And it's adding a lovely contrast with the body also. Our border is in blue color. It has temples, paisley style, cross lines and floral buttis in lines. All this work is in silver zari. Our beautiful pallu has diamond brocade work over it in silver zari. It's a very interesting pattern with small cross lines. And here is our beautiful contrasting blouse. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CP542. Weaver's price is 16,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before I move on to the next beautiful sari, ladies, let me remind you that we provide global courier service and the cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Please don't forget. Moving on to the next sari now. It's a beautiful bottle green color with pink color Gadwal Pattu sari. And the body has dollars in gold and silver zari. So we have contrasting zari work on the body. It looks very elegant and regal. And our extremely gorgeous contrasting border has temples, diamonds, leaves jar. We have cross lines with peacocks in silver zari, and again we have diamonds in gold zari. We have a contrast of gold and silver again on the border. It's an extremely exquisite sari with a lovely pallu which has cross lines. We have zigzag lines, floral buttis in zari boxes, florals and leaves chal, dollars, temples, so much detailing in gold zari. And here is our very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code CK88. Weaver's price is 23,520 rupees. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to our next beautiful sari. Let's have a look at it. It's a lovely sari. Beautiful color. Let's have a look at the details. It's an off-white color sari. It's a Gadwal Pattu sari with self checks in green color on the body in small floral buttis and peacock buttis in gold zari. And look at the contrasting border in green color. It has peacocks, floral buttis and diamonds in zari boxes. We have wavy lines and again peacocks, floral buttis and diamonds in gold zari boxes. Very royal work. The pallu has floral brocade work all over it in gold zari, which is looking extremely royal and beautiful. And now let me show you our very lovely contrasting blouse. Here it is. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code CH938. Weaver's price is 21,200. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next very beautiful and bright sari. Let me show you the details right away. Wow. It's a lime yellow with blue color Gadwal Pattu sari. The body has self checks in blue color, and then we have gold zari checks inside the self checks. Very interesting pattern. It's a very lightweight sari as well. Border is in blue color and has temples and zari checks in gold zari. And our beautiful pallu here has gold zari kadi all over it. Very simple, classy and elegant work is there on the sari. And the beautiful contrasting blouse also has zari checks over it in gold zari. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CU216. Weaver's price is 9,440 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before I show you the next beautiful sarees from today's collection of Garhwal Patti sarees, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about your collections and Weaver's prices too. Here it is.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Hello my beautiful ladies, namaste to all the ones who have just joined us right now, and today we are talking about beautiful Garhwal Patti sarees. And let me now show you the next one. It's a very gorgeous color combination. We have pink and green in it. Wow, very lightweight also. The body is in pink color. It has floral buttees in zari with some peacocks also in gold and silver zari work we have all over the body. Our peacock green color border has temples, peacocks and horses in zari boxes with gold zari. We also have diamonds and all this work is in gold zari. The beautiful pallu here has brocade work over it. So we have paisleys, diamonds and floral buttees in gold zari. Very small intricate detailing is there. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is BT917. Weaver's price is 19,520 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before I show you the next saree, let me just remind you that please make sure you are liking, following and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new collections of sarees at Weaver's prices. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends and fashion, and when you wear sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon that you were meant to be. On this note, let me show you the next beautiful saree. This one is in light green with bright pink color, gorgeous combination. And the body for this lovely saree has paisleys, buttees and floral buttees in gold zari with very beautiful detailing. Each and every butta looks very lovely, very enticing and beautiful. And the border, which is in pink color, has temples. Then we have dollars in boxes, cross lines and florals and leaves jar in gold zari. Now moving on to a beautiful pallu, which has huge paisleys, cross lines, florals and leaves jar. All this beautiful royal work is in gold zari again. And here is our contrasting blouse. To place the order for this extremely beautiful saree, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CR717. Weaver's price is 13,440 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to our next one now. A beautiful saree is coming up for all my beautiful ladies. This one is in the classic combination of red with green, and I think it should be a staple in your wardrobe. The body has self checks in green color with small floral buttees in gold zari. Very elegant and classy design. Green color border has florals and leaves jal and diamonds and lines in gold zari. And the pallu has florals and leaves jal with floral brocade work and some polkas too in gold zari. Here is our very elegant contrasting blouse, and to place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CP549. Weaver's price is 15,520. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next very beautiful saree, ladies. Let me show you the details right away. It's in blue color. Wow, such a beautiful color. The body has floral buttees in gold zari with the added thread work detailing in pink color, which is bringing a beautiful pop of color to the saree. The light lavender color border has diamonds, florals and leaves jal. We have floral buttees in zari boxes. We have a huge floral butta here. We have pink color threadwork detailing and blue color threadwork detailing. Adding a beautiful pop of color, we have cross lines, diamonds again, and florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Very beautiful design is there all over the border. And here's the lovely pallu, which has diamond brocade work over it in gold zari. Now let me show you a lovely contrasting blouse which is in light lavender color, and that also has floral booties in gold zari. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CY713. Weaver's price is 19,520. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next beautiful green color sari. Let me show you the details of this lovely Gadwal Pattu sari. Let's have a look. It's a beautiful bottle green color, very rich color, and the body has floral booties in gold and silver zari. Our elegant border has diamonds in silver zari and self lines in yellow color, which is adding a beautiful contrast. We have a lovely Paithani style pallu with silver zari curry, flower vases and peacocks in such bright and beautiful colors. And we have a very pretty self blouse for this sari, which also has floral booties over it. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CL765. Weaver's price is 18,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next sari. This is a very lovely violet color Gadwal Pattu sari. The body has peacocks over it in gold and silver, with small added threadwork detailing in pink, in red and green color, which is bringing a beautiful pop of color too. Border here is in red color. We have leaves, florals and leaves, jal and cross lines in gold zari. And a beautiful contrasting pallu, which has cross lines. We have temples, polkas, zari strips and lines, and all this beautiful work in gold zari again. Now let's have a look at the contrasting blouse in red color, and to place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CQ486. Weaver's price is 12,240. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let me now show you the next beautiful sari. It's in peach and blue color. It's a very lovely color combination. Let's have a look at it. Wow, such a lightweight sari with very elegant design. The body has floral booties in silver zari and blue threadwork, which is a contrasting design, contrasting color palette also. Our blue color border has leaves, cross lines and peacocks and floral booties in zari boxes and gold zari. The beautiful pallu has diamond brocade work over it in gold zari. And let's move on to the contrasting blouse. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CY712. Weaver's price is 12,240. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before I move on to the next beautiful sari, ladies, let me just remind you that please make sure that you are placing the orders right away, because the Weaver's prices are only valid for 24 hours. Now moving on to the next sari. This one is another very beautiful sari in green color. Let me show you the details. It's a green and pink color Gadwal Pattu sari, and body has floral booties in gold zari. It's a beautiful silk fabric, lovely gold zari work. Border has florals and leaves jal, paisleys and florals and zari lines in gold zari. And our beautiful pallu here has florals and cross checks, beautiful gold zari brocade work. Now we will see our beautiful contrasting blouse also, and to place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CK85. Weaver's price is 23,520 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to our next elegant sari. This one is in blue and black combination, and let me show you the details right away. The body for this sari has floral booties in gold and silver zari, alternating lines you can see of gold and silver. Contrasting border here has paisleys in gold and silver zari. Then we have cross lines and again paisleys in gold zari. Our pallu here has floral brocade work. So we have florals and cross checks in gold zari again. And a very elegant contrasting blouse. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is BT834. Weaver's price is 11,264. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Ladies, before I show you the next beautiful sari, let me show you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections and Weaver's prices too. Here it is.
Drape yourself in Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks and bring out the royalty within you. Do follow Kanchi VML Silks so that you can never miss updates and offers from VML Silks.
My dear beautiful ladies, I am back. Namaskaram to all the ones who have just joined our live. Today we are talking about Gadwal Pattu sarees. These are beautiful silk sarees and originated in Gadwal. And I'm going to show you so many vibrant colors that are left. We also have beautiful gold zari work and silver zari work over them. Let me show you the next one for now. Wow. A beautiful color for all my beautiful ladies. It's a lovely olive green color saree. And body has floral buttees in zari with self checks in pink color. Floral buttees are in silver and gold zari. Our border here has florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Then we have floral brocade work here. All the work in gold zari is making the pink color look even more royal and gorgeous. And for the pallu, we have floral brocade work, diamonds and paisleys, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari again. So now let me show you the contrasting blouse, which is also in pink color, and we have small floral buttees on it in gold and silver zari. And to place the order for this very beautiful saree, just take a screenshot with the item code BT875. Weaver's price is 21,200 rupees. And to place the order, just send a screenshot to 8900010002. Ladies, before I show you the next beautiful sari, let me just remind you that we provide global courier service and the cash and delivery option that is only available in Hyderabad. Moving on to the next one. This one is in maroon and pink color. It's a very bright color combination. Really love it. The fabric is also very soft and easy to carry. And the body has floral buttees in gold and silver zari. Look at this royal color combination. Looks so lovely. And the beautiful pink border, we have a gap style border with paisleys, jal and zigzag lines with zari lines in silver zari. And silver zari is shining so brightly, you can have a look. Now for the pallu, we have zigzag lines with polkas, diamonds, paisleys, and all this beautiful work is in silver zari. You can see how brightly it is shining, bringing out the best of the pink. And now showing you the contrasting blouse. It has floral buttees on it in gold and silver zari. To place the order for this beautiful sari, just take a screenshot with the item code CP553. Weaver's price is 16,800 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next lovely sari. Now this one is in green color. Let's have a look at it. A green and pink color combination sari. The body has floral buttees in gold and silver zari. Our beautiful pink border has diamonds, paisleys with florals and leaves and diamonds and cross checks in gold zari. Our pallu here has diamond brocade work in gold zari again, shining very beautifully, adding a lovely warm glow to the pink color. And here's our contrasting blouse. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CQ484. Weaver's price is 12,240. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, since we are done with these sarees, now I will be showing you the sarees draped on the mannequin. So you can have a look and understand how gorgeous you will look When you drape it on yourself and with your beautiful smile, you're going to glow in it. Moving on to the first one. The first sari is a beautiful sage green Gadwal Pattu sari. We have sage green with pink. The body has zari checks and gold zari with beautiful floral booties near the border in silver zari and gold zari. The border has diamonds and florals and leaves jal in gold zari. We have a magenta color edge to the border. Contrasting pallu pink color has brocade work all over it, and a beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color too. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code CF128. Weaver's price is 20,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now we will be moving on to the next beautiful sari, and this one is in navy blue with sea green color. The body has paisleys, butties and floral butties in gold and silver zari. Our border here has dollars, zigzag lines and diamonds in gold zari. Our pallu has floral brocade work and there's a contrasting blouse in sea green color. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CR723. Weaver's price is 16,160 rupees and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let's take the blessings from the Divine Goddess to have an amazing week ahead and also to have a very happy shopping experience from Varamahalakshmi Silks. And now we are moving on to the next gorgeous sari. Now this one is a beautiful midnight blue with mustard color Gadwal Pattu sari. Body has peacocks in gold and silver zari, which is adding a beautiful contrast and a lovely glow. Our border has circular floral booties, diamonds, dollars and florals and leaves jal and gold zari. The pallu has diamond brocade work and there's a contrasting blouse in mustard color. To place the order, just take a screenshot with the item code CR718. Weaver's price is 22,240. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. And now we are moving on to the next sari. Our next lovely sari here is in peach and navy blue color. It's a beautiful peachy pink color. Body has floral butties and peacock butties. We have slightly bigger buttas here on each and every in beautiful gold zari. Each and every design looks so gorgeous. The contrasting border has diamonds and dollars with peacocks. Our pallu has brocade work and there's a contrasting blouse. To place the order for this lovely sari, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CY715. Weaver's price is 16,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear beautiful ladies, I hope you had a lovely time watching today's live about beautiful Gadwal Pattu saris. These saris are very lightweight, easy to carry and such beautiful colors too. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.
ಹಾಯ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದಷ್ಟೇ, ವರಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪೇಜನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಅವರು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈವ್ ಶೋಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಲೈವ್ ಶೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಸಾರೀಸ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದಿಷ್ಟೇ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರೋ ಸ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಅವರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ಸ್ಯಾರಿನ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ವರಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪೇಜನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಸ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.